Welcome to Mary G. Montgomery High School, home of the Vikings. The Academies of Mary G. Montgomery High School are designed to inspire, challenge, and prepare students for a successful future. Here, our students explore career pathways in fields like healthcare, technology, business, and engineering. They're learning the skills that employers want and gaining the confidence to excel in college, careers, and life. Our academy programs are the heart of our community, providing a rigorous and enriching education while also forming pipelines to successful careers. Here, students are encouraged to explore their passions while collaborating with local businesses in the career field. And it doesn't stop there. Students have the chance to earn industry certifications, build portfolios, and gain credentials that give them a head start in their careers.
Semmes has a really rich heritage in horticulture and nurseries, and I think it's really important for the students to learn a little bit about that and how Semmes came to be, but also for them to have a skill set that can take them into the future. We're seeing now, a lot of children don't go to college, they maybe don't do the four-year degree, and they need skills that can truly take them into the real world and that they can use immediately after school. And I think this program is really great for instilling that, a good work ethic in these kids, and I think it's really great to see what it's doing here in the school.
As members of the Semmes Women's Club, we were so excited to partner with the MGM Horticulture. This is our 70th anniversary that we are celebrating this year, and we're really trying to get back to our roots. Many of the founding members of the Women's Club were from nursery families. We ourselves actually grew up in a nursery family. So getting to come here and interact with the students has just been really wonderful in that aspect.
From biomedical to agribusiness, our program offers a diverse range of opportunities. Biomedical, agribusiness, hospitality, and tourism, business management, JROTC, engineering, IT, computer science. Students have access to the latest technology and resources. Whether it's conducting experiments in our biomedical lab or designing recipes in our culinary center, the tools they need are at their fingertips. And it's not just about learning in school. Our students connect with real businesses and professionals through internships, job shadowing, and career mentorships, gaining invaluable experience before they even graduate.
So there's a lot of advantages to it, not only for the kids, but also the companies such as USA Health, who I work for. A lot of times once the kids have decided, that they have an interest in what it is that we provide through our health system, it kind of sets the stage for futuristic job opportunities. So it gives them an opportunity to be exposed to the reality of what it is that we do. And it also gives them an opportunity to try to gauge if they have future interest in that particular field. So the end result is that we could end up with excellent candidates just because of the exposure that they had during their younger years in high school.
At Mary G. Montgomery High School, we take great pride in recognizing and celebrating student success. Whether it's through academic achievements, professional skills development, effective communication, or community service efforts, we honor the hard work and dedication our students demonstrate in all areas. We believe in more than just education. We believe in preparing our students to thrive. Are you ready to take the first step toward your future? Your path starts here. At Mary G. Montgomery High School, our academy programs are empowering students to realize their full potential and equipping them for long-term success. Explore how our programs can impact your pathway to success. Visit our website to learn more and schedule a visit.